This is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our brand new 2018 Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless. The 27 is a great boat, you know, if you want to do some coastal running or even if you want to run offshore. Nice wide beam to it, nice deep V. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the factory options. This one's got the big 225 Verados. Horsepower to weight ratio, awesome. Digital throttle and shift. We've got our dive ladder back here, underwater lights, and as we go through, I'll point out a couple other items. This one, of course, has our hard top right here, and they do a powder coating as well, so there's really no maintenance per se versus your aluminum T-tops. This one has a built-in battery charger, raw water wash down. This can be your additional rod holders right here. You have a seat underneath this as well. Real nice captain's chair right here. Huge recirculating bait well. Got your sink. Plenty of room here on the dash if you want to install GPS, chart plotter, VHF. This one does have the nice Fusion stereo with JL audio speakers. Fully enclosed head. Lots of room inside there. This one has your table as well as the pump out for your head for dockside discharge. As we go up front, we don't have the cushions on here, but this is real popular on the boat on each side. With your cushions on there, you can put this in this position. Makes it very comfortable for your passengers. And this is one of the favorite things I like about the boat, is going to be the storage. So you've got dedicated rod storage in there, doubles as a seat, goes way down in there. This is super comfortable as well. There's our hard top again. So to recap, this is a 2018 Boston Whaler 27 Dauntless, twin 225 Verados, available at MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like to schedule a time to come take a look, feel free to give us a call. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thank you again for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.